Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Omnisend to automate abandoned cart campaigns, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install Omnisend for automating abandoned cart campaigns, begin by navigating, click on the Get Started button to create your account. Fill in the required details such as your email address and a password. After registering, log into your newly created account. Once logged in, select the option to connect your online store. Choose the e-commerce platform that you are using, such as Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. Follow the prompts to grant Omnisend access to your store. Next, head to the Automations tab in the dashboard. Click on Create Workflow to start setting up your abandoned cart campaign. Select Abandoned Cart from the list of automation templates provided by Omnisend. Customize the workflow settings according to your preferences. You can adjust the timing of when the abandoned cart emails will be sent. Add the email elements, including subject lines and content that align with your brand. Incorporate dynamic content if you wish to personalize the emails for each recipient. Make sure to include a clear call to action in the emails to drive conversions. Preview the email to ensure everything looks good and functions correctly. Test the workflow to confirm that the automation triggers as intended. Once satisfied, activate the abandoned cart campaign. Regularly monitor the performance of your automation through the analytics dashboard. Make adjustments as needed to improve engagement and conversion rates. Your Omnisend account is now set up to automate abandoned cart campaigns effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.